MTDCNC are currently running two special offers on behalf of Cogsdill UK. The first special offer is on their BURRAWAY tooling. Now, if you're unfamiliar with this type of tooling, it can deburr the front and the back of an owl. Now, if you're currently sending your components to a deburring section for this type of work, why? You need this type of tool. It can save you operations, it can save you times, and ultimately you can achieve a stable process. The offer that they're actually giving is a free blade on any orders up until the end of the year. It's even perfect for these hard to get to back holes. Why would you try to deburr these manually? You could even scrap the part, and an expensive part like that would be an expensive mistake to make. Get in contact with Cogsdill for more information, stating the code MTD1218. The second special offer that Cogsdill have got on until the end of the year is on their roller burnishing tools, internal standard tooling. Now, it could be a perfect alternative to honing or grinding operations. This can be done on milling machines or on lathes. So if you're looking to save on operations or on different processing or on sending that component out for subcontract, this is a clean and easy and simple way to achieve that perfect surface finish. And with this particular tooling, if you order before the end of the year, Cogsdill will give you a set of free rolls with this tooling. This is an offer that you simply can't turn down. For more information, contact Cogsdill UK today.